Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn Fibonacci series in Java. So basically, in Fibonacci series, next number is the sum of previous two numbers. For example, this year 0, 1, 1 and 2. So here is the sum of those two number is the result of that third number. So if I sum those both, then the result is 2. Same, if I sum those number 1 and 2, then the result gonna be 3, right? And same as if I sum both 3 and 4, and the result gonna be 5. Okay, so this is how Fibonacci series work. Now, now let's see the logic we're gonna apply to print our program. So firstly, we will ask a user to write down the and how long Fibonacci series they want to print. So as suppose user want to print six number of Fibonacci series. So firstly we will ask user to enter the number of Fibonacci series they want to print. Then user will enter this 6. After entering this 6, our output have to be like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is 6, total 6. So yeah, this is our output. Okay. So now see, let's see the logic. So logic says that firstly what we're gonna do, just I will write our Fibonacci series first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13, right? So to printing this series, firstly what we're gonna do, we will print our first two variable as it is, just because we know always our Fibonacci series will start from 0 and 1. Some of these number is gonna be the third output. That's why this starting both are same in every Fibonacci series. So we will print this as same as it. So we will print system.out.print, and as it is print this 0 and 1, and after that we will create three variable a, b and c. So in a we will store from starting 0, in b we will store 1, okay, and in c we will store, in c we will store sum of a and b. Okay, so after doing this, what we're gonna do, we will print our c. We'll print our c. Now after printing this c, what we're gonna do, we will assign the value of b into a. We will assign the value of b into a, right? And the value of c, into b. Okay, now after doing this, we will run this process into a loop. That loop will start from 1 and it will run till the condition, till the number user will enter. if user enter 10, then it will run at till 10. If user enter 5, it will run till 5. Okay. So by this, what will happen? Sum of 0 and 1 is 0 this and 1 is this. Then output gonna be, next output gonna be C. After that, we will swap those number and again we'll run the condition. Now this time, by this process, now by this process B is A. So now this is 1 and C is B. So now B is again 1. This one is B. Now the sum of 1 and this A and B is gonna be 2. So this 2 will print, and after printing this 2, again happen that, and B gonna be A. So what are B? Our B is 1. Then A gonna be 1, and C will go on B. Then B will be our 2. So this series goes on. The sum of this 2 and 1 gonna be 3, and this will 3 print. So this section of series gonna run as, and our output, our Fibonacci series will print as same. And now, and it will end till user specify point. So let's run the program and let's see logic. Okay, so here's our compiler. We'll write a class main and write down a main function. Now we will print as a message for user. We will print a message for user. Enter the end of Fibonacci series. Okay, so user will enter the end, and now we need to store. So what we're gonna do? We will create our scanner object for. Let's write scanner object. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner. Okay, so it shows red mark just because we did not import the Java util scanner class. So here we will import java dot util scanner, right? So after creating this object, what we'll do, we will store that input. So number num, so we'll store in num. So sc dot next int, yeah, so it will store in num. So after that, what we're gonna do, we will create our 3 variables. So first int a, initially it is 0, and b, initially it is 1. Okay, after that, what we're gonna do, we will as it is print our first 2 variables as 0 and 1 as a starting of our Fibonacci series. So we print system dot out dot print, not print ln, just because we do not need our cursor goes on a next line. We need our cursor stay in the same line, so we write only print, not print ln. After that, so we'll print here, we'll print a, and then we print space, then print B. Okay, so AB will print as it is here, and then we will create our C variable, and C is initially 0, nothing will be in C. After that we run a loop, for loop of I, and I will run from 1, and it will run till less than equals to the number the end of the series. The end of the series user specify is num in this num variable, so it will run till num and I plus plus. So here is some catch. Just because we already show our in output this 0 and 1 is already. So now we need to print our Fibonacci series, original series till minus 2, just because two elements are already printed here. So if user specify 6 number, if user specify 6 in num, so we need to run our loop till 6 minus 2, just because two values are already printed. So we will write here 6 minus 2. I hope you understand why I did this. Okay, so after this we'll do enter, and now what I gonna do is just do first C is equals to A plus B. Okay, A plus B, and then we will print our C. So here I will print our C, right? So firstly print 0, then 1, then A plus B C, then gonna print C. Then we will do our swap as I explain you. So it is A gonna be B, then B gonna be C, C gonna be B, B gonna be A. Okay. So here is what I did. Firstly, I will ask a user to enter the end of the series. So user specify in num variable, and if example user will specify 6, then 6 will store in num. And so firstly we will create two variables A and B. So A stores 0 and B store 1, and this A and B will as it is print on in our screen, output screen. And after that we create a C variable which is initially 0, and then we run a loop from 1 until the num and minus 2, just because we already printed those two values from our series. So we did minus 2 and it will plus plus. So firstly what it did, it will store A plus B, sum of A plus B in C, then output of C is printed. After that what we did, we will transfer the value of B into A and the value of C into B. Okay, so how long does this for loop gonna run, and then this series are goes like that, 0 1, then 1 1, then 1 2. Okay, I hope. Let's run this program and see what's the output. So yeah, so here it will ask enter the end of Fibonacci series, so we will write 6. Here is I write println somewhere. So as I said, we do not need println, just because we do not need to go on a next line. So here is I will remove it, and now I will run and enter 6, enter 6. So it shows the 6 values of our Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. As same as if I run again and put some long value like 10, then it will show 10 values of our Fibonacci series. So I hope you understand this code and the logic behind it. So I will meet you in a next video. Thank you guys for watching.